the spring on it. Most important thing to be able to refill it, you have to open the pen. So this is the refill. I'll try to take it out from the package. And I made a video before with these refills. They are made in Japan. And the ink is very interesting on them. They also have this protection. And yeah, I think it's some kind of a polymer plastic that it's just dipped into this plastic. Okay, how to open it? Should be from here usually. Oh, not easy. From the top here. Okay. There should be a spring here. There is, but it's not coming out. This is plastic. Looks like the spring is secured in there, so it doesn't come out, which might be a good thing or a bad thing, depending on what you're trying to do. If you want to use the spring, maybe it's not easy to get it out. And that's the mechanism. It's loose when it's not inside there, and this is the refill. So it's the same as the other one. They are the same. So I can really use these pens, and I have the refills for them. Perfect. Looks like the spring puts tension on the button. That's why it goes back like that. It's not like super important, but it's always interesting to see how the pens are built. So that's how it works there. It still works. Nothing changed about it, so for sure it will still work. And now this one. This is the more interesting model. I like this style more than the one with the button. I like this more because it's more like a classic pen where you have to uncap it and then you write with it. The same markings, Energel here, 0.7. The 0.7 is a bit thick for a pen. 0.5 usually it's nicer, but for the gel pen I think it's okay because it's, if you want it a really thick line, liquid gel ink, 0.7 millimeter. Normally this classic style of pen like this, I think this is 0.5, 0.5, maybe. It is a bit thinner, so this classic pen, the ink also I believe is more stable. The water might make the ink on these gel pens, it might make them go away a little bit, dissolve a little bit. I could try now, but I don't want to make a mess here with all the water and everything. But usually these gel pens, they are not so great with water. They will smudge a little bit. So if you might get the paper wet, it's always good to use the classic pen, the simple ballpoint pen with this simple reserve, which is fine. But I like this, it's very classy. I like this made in Japan. This one's written in some other place. So they changed the way they write on it, Pentel. And this is metal here. Oh, and this is really nice. I don't know, it looks very pleasing to look at. When you close it, it's very precise. It feels really good. Really, I like this. And when you open the pen, it's just like this, simple, without any buttons here, without this thing, because this pen you always have to hold it like this. Because if you hold it like that, it might be annoying. But this pen, you can turn it around however you like. You can play with it. You can turn it in any way you like. It's still gonna be fine, and then you can close it, and it's okay. And it's more like those classic fountain pens, and I like that. And this is the same tip protector. Let's try to open it. Oh, came out pretty easy this time. And I think from here again. This one shouldn't have a spring. Maybe it has. No, there's no spring there. It's just a plastic. It's a simple plastic container. Simple plastic container, and then you have the refill. Oh, this is fixed. It's stuck here. The same as the ones I bought, so they will be perfectly compatible. This is very simple. It's a very simple pen like this. At the edge there, on the bottom, it has this kind of a star shape where it really grips the edge of the